Now, if we talk about the single best food that can fully support your body's healing process, repair damaged tissues, and help you recover from anything, whether it's an intense workout, stress, trauma, surgery, or an injury, the answer is simple: red meat. This includes beef, mutton, lamb, and even camel meat in some cultures. A few days ago, I made a video explaining different types of protein and which kinds work best in certain situations. But when it comes to overall body healing and deep tissue repair, nothing comes close to the power of red meat. And the reason isn't just the protein content. Red meat contains incredibly powerful nutrients that directly support recovery, increase energy, strengthen the body, and speed up the repair process. And once you understand what's inside it, you'll be surprised at how beneficial it really is. First, let's talk about what the body actually needs in order to heal. The most important element is amino acids. These are the building blocks your body uses to rebuild muscle tissue, repair cells, and recover from physical stress. Second, you need highly bioavailable protein, and the most bioavailable protein available naturally is animal protein, especially red meat. Third, you need a high concentration of protein, and this is where red meat clearly stands out. To help you understand the difference, let's compare red meat to eggs. Red meat contains nearly double the amino acids found in eggs. It has 1.5 times more iron, more than twice the magnesium, almost 4 times the zinc, and 50 times more vitamin B3. It also contains double the vitamin B1, 4 times the vitamin B6, twice the vitamin B12, 4 times more vitamin K, and 5 times the omega-3 that eggs provide. So in every direction you look, the nutritional value of red meat is far superior. But beyond its strong nutritional profile, the real magic of red meat comes from 4 specific compounds that make it unmatched when it comes to healing, recovery, and performance. The first one is carnitine. This is the same compound many people take as a supplement to help with fat loss. Carnitine plays a critical role in transporting fat into the cells, specifically into the mitochondria, which act as the body's energy factories. Once the fat is delivered there, it can be turned into usable energy. Without carnitine, your body cannot efficiently turn fat into energy, and this energy is essential not only for exercise but also for the healing process. Healing requires raw materials like amino acids, but it also requires energy to drive the repair process, and carnitine helps make that possible. When we compare 100 grams of red meat with 100 grams of eggs, red meat contains 150 milligrams of carnitine, while eggs contain only about 7 milligrams. That difference alone shows how much more powerful red meat is. Among red meats, lamb contains the most carnitine, followed by beef. The second powerful compound in red meat is creatine. Many athletes and bodybuilders take creatine supplements to improve strength, boost performance, and support quick energy during heavy lifting or high-intensity movements. What most people don't know is that beef naturally contains more creatine than any other food on the planet. If you eat red meat regularly, you're already getting one of the most effective performance-enhancing nutrients your body can use, without needing a supplement. The third compound found abundantly in red meat is carnosine. When you exercise, your body builds up acidity due to rising levels of lactic acid, and this acidity causes muscle fatigue. Carnosine helps neutralize that acidity so your muscles can keep working longer without getting tired. It also helps maintain the body's pH balance and supports oxygen flow to the muscles, which is essential for strength and endurance. On top of that, carnosine acts as a powerful antioxidant that assists with muscle repair and recovery. Even more impressive, it helps reduce AGEs, advanced glycation end products, which are harmful molecules that form when sugar and protein bind inside the body. AGEs can slow down healing damaged tissues and interfere with normal body functions. Carnosine helps clear them, making it a crucial nutrient for recovery and long-term health. The fourth and final compound is coenzyme Q10, also known as CoQ10. This nutrient plays a vital role in supporting mitochondrial health and energy production. Your mitochondria convert food into energy, and CoQ10 helps this process work smoothly. The best natural sources of CoQ10 are organ meats like liver, kidneys, and heart, which are extremely nutrient-dense and highly beneficial for healing and overall health. For all these reasons, I strongly recommend including red meat in your diet, especially for women. During the menstrual cycle, many women experience blood loss and may become low in iron or vitamin B12. Red meat provides some of the highest quality iron and B12 available, making it one of the best foods for female health and energy. Speaking personally, I eat red meat regularly because of the way it supports strength, recovery, and overall wellness. I hope this information helps you understand why red meat is such a powerful healing food. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.